Count
3 rolls. Come on.
3 rolls. 3 for Dale. 61.
Do it for Dale.
Hey, what's 6 plus 1?
Did you happen to watch
7.
There you go.
Fucking
X.
A. I like that. I like
X.
that.
They had Michael.
Welcome back to TmezTv. Today we were at Merced Speedway. I've had some pretty good luck here in the past, but we're with this new team, new deal, and we don't have all the notes, but we took the thing to Bob Pinella's shop. Go check out my last video if you want to look into that. And we got to sing on the scales, and I feel like we made some good progress. So about to get the cameras on the car. The boys are doing some fueling stuff because with mechanical fuel injection, you have to keep up with the air, and we use this air station to check the air and change the fuel accordingly. Check it out. I was talking to Jade out on the track. She's got this Peel sponsor. They gave us some oranges, and Madeline's getting shirts already. And we went and looked at the track, and the track looks heavy, so we're doing a wheel change before we even start the night. But hey, as always, thanks for watching TmezTv. We're about to get out on the track. I got the cameras all set up, and I will see you out there. About to push out for some engine heat. The tracks are really wet and muddy here, so I thought I'd run a different camera pointing backwards. We just got engine heat and the track looks sticky, so put some more stagger on it. Time to go practice. Well, we just got done with qualifying, and for no practice, feel pretty good about that. We ended up 23rd, which doesn't sound very impressive, but we made the invert, so that'll put us on the front row of the heat race. Potentially, you know, if we could win the heat race, we can start up a lot farther. It at least gives us a shot at winning the heat race. But yeah, car felt really good today. It was a total different car. We put it on the scales, we moved the numbers around, and you wouldn't believe how huge that is. Like, if the numbers aren't right, then the car is kind of a handful to drive. So we changed the thing around. It felt a lot better there in qualifying. Not quite the speed we were looking for, but I'm over putting pressure on myself to be fast every night because this is an R&D car. I mean, this is the first time we've had it out to the races, and we've had a bunch of new car blues, and so I'm not putting any pressure on myself to be the fastest car out there. I'm putting pressure on me to just have a fun night. And thanks to some of the fans that have been out here, it really kind of put me in the right mood today. You know, like, I'm living my best life. You can't live your best life if you're not enjoying it, okay? And it's been a little intense lately because I really want to be successful with this new car. Tim has been giving us everything we need. We have all the parts and all the good stuff we need. So, but it's okay. Living my best life at the racetrack. Hey, I hope you're living your best life, and hopefully you can make it down to the racetrack as well. Up next is the heat race. We should start on the front row, so got the cameras. I'm about ready to get the cameras on there, and yeah, we'll see you. All right, so the heats are getting ready to push off. We're in the second heat. We qualified 23rd, so I thought we were going to be on the front row, but there was only 3 heats, so that's going to start me like 7th or 8th. So we got our work cut out for us tonight. Most likely we're gonna come out of the beat, but that's okay. If we don't come out of the beat, it'll be a sweet night. I got it out of gear and it was still running. I had to shut it off. So the thing dropped a cylinder in the heat race, and I feel like it's more than just the plug. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video on tonight. Hey, thanks for watching as always. Don't forget to go check out my sponsors, Witt's RC Racing Products. And hey, thanks for joining the show. Out here living my best life. We haven't had the luck we're looking for, but eventually Lady Luck's coming our way.
It's going home with Beelman anyways.
Here, it's yours.
Hey.
There you go. There she goes.
Make sure it gets off.
Hey, so we're feeling,
Jack off.
we're feeling like the jack has been unlucky to us, so we're giving the jack away to my good friends over here. Thanks for taking our hard luck away. Welcome back to TmezTv. We are at the track, rolling through the pits, and yeah, it's beautiful here in California, so I'm happy about that. On the one wheel, that's always fun. Really don't have a whole lot to talk about. Oh, they got wing cars today. That's exciting. So got some wing cars. That's always fun because that should slicken off the track. Down here at Merced, we were here last night. Super high bank, like a little Eldora almost like. So it was hammered down, hooked up last night. I have a feeling with the wing cars here, it's not gonna be the same. That'll help our situation because with midgets, I mean, we're using all the power we can. We're probably pushing 400 horse. With the tire we have, that's not a lot on these big tracks. So, excited to have the wing cars here.
And the guy tried to shut the gate. She got her head in. Look out! Yeah, you too. So it was a thrash. Had to change a set of gears, and we're almost not going to be in time.
got done with qualifying. Not too bad. I think we made the invert today. I think we were like 18th quick. We're in the first heat on the front row, which that'll be nice. Hopefully we can pick up a dub and maybe we can move forward a little bit. Car was pretty good today. We took some gear out of it, you know, hoping it wasn't banging the chip, and it ended up not really pulling it, so we went back to the gear we were on yesterday. Changed the left front spring, took a little bit of stagger out, moved the right rear wheel in a 1/2 inch, and we feel like we're pretty close with our baseline right now. This place is super fast, high bank. Today they got the wing cars, so I feel like today it's going to slicken off a little bit. We're in the first heat, so it's not going to be terribly slick, so we didn't do a ton to it. But hey, as always, thanks for watching TmezTv. Out in California, getting to hang out with my buddies from school. It's pretty cool, and you know, trying to keep my head up. It's been a tough week, but that's all right. We're out in California. Could be at home in the cold and watching this on Flow, so excited to be out west and getting to, you know, go racing. So big heat races might be out on the track, so I better get the cameras on and get rolling. Second in the heat race, and the thing, when we came in, it had a funny idle, and these California mufflers collect a lot of fuel, and this thing must have been a little bit rich, and it must have backfired through the exhaust, and it bent a butterfly. Luckily, Tim Engler's here working on the Engler injection, so got my best guy working on it. He's straightening out the butterfly. But yeah, got some friends here. It's been a good night. Wing cars are going first. Track's gonna be super slick for the features, so we're really banging our heads together to figure out what we need to do to make this Stealth Power Sports 7X Fast. Well, there you have it. 2 nights of Merced. The first night, it broke the tip of the rocker and kicked a push rod. We pulled the motor out, put the spare motor in. It was fresh, and it just didn't sound right after the heat race. It bent the butterfly. We fixed that, and it still didn't sound right. There's no need to tear up one of our beautiful EA Stealth motors. So we headed back home so we could get things ready. Got DeCoin Indoor coming up and Chili Bowl shortly after. As always, thanks for watching.